I got my little 2-gallon sprayer. Ideally, I should have been using the inside water for this. Just check this pump out. So this is from Vevor, the 1.5 gallon jet pump. This thing is insane. Like, you can get some crazy distance with it if I didn't have this fan shower head. Like, I can hit my cherry cheese from here. Absolutely insane. It's like $140. Crazy. Again, this water's cold, so I probably shouldn't be doing it, but it's 23 gallons per minute is the highest I've got. Typically I stay around 18 to 19 gallons per minute. It's rated for 26 gallons per minute on this pump.